So now that I'm on Canva, I'm just gonna scroll through a few of my different thumbnails that I've used, some of my Instagram posts, so you could just see kind of like what I've done with Canva. Some of this was with Pro, and some was without. But I'm gonna take you through the process on how I made this simple thumbnail for how I got my sleek ponytail. And if you haven't seen that, go check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll leave a link on the video so you can see. So how I make my thumbnails, I use pixelr.com, and I will show you some of the projects that I have through PixelR. This is all free. I didn't have to pay for PixelR, and some of the thumbnails that you saw in my feed, I didn't have to use any paid products. So you can kind of use Canva for both paid and unpaid details. So back to it. I find a picture that I want. For this one, I used Eco Style Gel, so I'm going to find Eco Style Gel and paste the URL for the image there. I'm going to get rid of the white background because you don't want white, you want it to be transparent to look like it's just a product there, as if you took a picture of it. Then what you will do is, I try the magic cutout first. If that doesn't work, then I get more detailed. It worked for this image, so now I'm going to change the name of it just to make it more simple. And once I type that in, I am going to download. Once that is downloaded, I'm going to go back to Canva and kind of start on the actual project. I like to upload all the media first, so I don't have to like go back and forth on what I'm going to use and blah blah blah. So I try to upload all my media first. That's what I'm doing here. The other pictures are already in there because, as you saw, I already created this thumbnail. Now I'm going to create the background images, sort of, which pictures are going to be kind of like laying in the background with the products and all that stuff on it. I want a before picture and then an after picture, and I have a few to choose from. Like I said, I like to upload all the images, so I have the choices already there, and I don't have to like, I don't like that one, let me go find this other one and send it to myself. I just rather upload them all. And it's also easy if you have the app on your phone, because if you take pictures on your phone, you can just upload them through your phone. And then if you prefer to make the edits on the computer, which I do because I like to use the PixelR, and I'll go back and forth, but everything transfers over. So I upload on my phone, it's on my computer. I upload on my computer, it's on my phone. It's really nice that way. Now, you see that this little element right here is a Pro element. That's the only Pro element I believe I have for this image, but I feel like it kind of makes a difference. It pulls it together. So I'm just using a little circle. Now I'm grabbing that image that I had, placing that in the center as the object that is used to achieve this style. And then these are different symbols and elements that I've also used. I'm going to use the arrow, and so that the thumbnail kind of like all goes together, I'll use whatever document color or theme is with the other elements, just so they all go together rather than having like this one thing here and this one thing there. I kind of want everything just to melt together a little bit more simply. So I'm gonna kind of like guide the viewers through how I achieved this look through an image. So the arrows pointing to my hair because the Eco Style Gel is what helped me achieve this goal. And then I'm going to add some words to kind of give you just a little tiny bit more detail. And through like some research, I've seen that bold lettering kind of draws viewers' eyes more, so I'm going to use a bold font, and then I'm also going to use the same color that I used for the elements in this thumbnail and kind of put that over, still on the side of what we're trying to achieve, the sleek ponytail on short type 4 hair. And that is how I made this thumbnail. Thanks for watching my video. If you have subscribed to my channel and you see my other videos, this one is a little bit different, but I wanted to also create content that was helpful more than for just people who are trying to do hair, skincare, and makeup is coming next. But I wanted to kind of help those who are also trying to create content, and just by showing them what I have done and what has been useful for me, even though I'm not the best at it. I'm just giving you what I have because that's all I have to offer. If you like that, like this video, comment, subscribe, all that down below. And while you're in the comments, make sure you let me know what other type of videos you want to watch.